pretty little painting, hotter than a hot tool. Me I say you hot like them, I say you hot too. Yeah, me see the curls, them pretty with the contour, man. I say
Ricardo, that not gonna work with me. It's not working well. Anyways, look here, we're going to go on the road, we're going to do a vlog and we're going to make a video here. And this is it. Let's go. Come, tell people them to follow you on what? On Instagram. At what? Alright, let's go. Turn around again. Turn around. Let me see you. What is this outfit called?
Don't look.
Damn right. Can I drive? Thank you. Thank you.
So I say you know. So you say no about sis. Because good on prayer just to the kind of better for you. One day I drive. I don't know what you do, man.
I don't know you love going like me a coffee now.
No, sir.
I have a question for you though. How much X you have in your life?
You want to tell it? Alright, X.
Nah, some road bad. How much X you ever have in your life?
Good moment. It's not some past 20. Past 20.
You have more than 20 girlfriends in your life? And you classify them as a real girlfriend? As a real ex-girlfriend? If somebody asks about them, I'm going to say yes. I was with short Keisha.
Well, it's a dead Keisha.
Sabrina. Right, guys, so today what we're going to do is we're going to go on the road, we're going to run some errands. I'm going to bore my nose, pick up one shirt for Casey because I ordered one. I'm going to pay for thingy online as well.
Who name Casey?
We have a cow. You can't see?
Easy beside that.
Alright, we'll go so. You want to try on the back road?
Easy. Why if you walk road? Out the road, yeah.
Out the road,
what
what's that?
Gone away, gone away. Elegance.
Alright, so we're there. We're going to Oxford right now. We're going to collect one package.
Oh, you want to go in the side or what?
Yes, Mama.
I'm going to drive. Right. Then I take out $1,000.
I don't have to pay for enough for things. I don't have to pay for them.
What?
So yes, I just got my package from Shop Rated M. It's supposed to be a men collection store. Maybe that's something you have to pay for. I just hope that it really is what I paid for and stuff. Let's see what's inside. Bag big girl. What? You even hold the phone good?
Oh, yeah, man.
You did hold the phone good?
Yeah.
Let me open this and see how it looks.
That's it, I take woman. Feel.
I eat this.
Yeah, boom, boy, that's a case big.
Eat this, yeah. Jesus Christ.
Brother.
I eat this.
I never mean say it, I camera. Sound effect.
It's medium, you know?
Zin?
This is medium.
Still a room.
Wait.
John still a send me to the killer form.
Yeah, you're still a room and it's still around. Go clean.
Still a room.
Alright.
Girl, them Sunday, Monday, isn't it?
I doubt it.
Don't mind the cough when I COVID. Drink us on
Jesus. Look here, this look about I'm telling you something, Ricardo come down in my yard and them out the whole of my swizzle them. I don't have nothing left.
Remember I used to feed her. When I got to school, I used to give
When?
her pocket money.
Alright, Sandra. Alright, Mike.
We do a friend that's in the credit.
I have Wi-Fi. What may I do with credit? Oh yes, question of the day is what's the weirdest thing you've ever done?
weirdest thing.
Wait.
I don't think I've done anything weird.
Ricardo, what the weirdest thing you ever do in your life?
Weirdest thing. Bro, what?
How much money you have now?
How much what?
How much money you have now?
Is it?
What? Eh? The what? What?
Yeah, ma. Yeah,
The boy lie. The boy lie,
man.
man.
The girl live in the Rosh.
Yeah.
KFC. Oh, KFC like long.
Tell Peachy, say me say, to ask you say, how much girl you have right now?
Rosh has been out of order. The phone and she's talking.
You're talking?
And I knew. No for a fact.
Brother,
Don't
how much girl lucky ends?
Lucky ends. One girl, man, still. One girl.
I don't want to be a player no more. I finally found someone I can live my life for.
Miss. Yeah, yeah, girl, man, see, I watch this now. If I watch this now, the snow set, I rush set this up here. I'm never planned for this.
Me. Mommy or daddy, which one?
Who?
Mommy or daddy?
Two of them.
No, mommy or daddy, I have to pick one. Pick a side.
I don't say though, tell you the truth.
What
they
God
come to
love.
food.
Yeah.
Mama,
I want to come to what else now?
they come to
Hint.
beneficiary. They come to shing.
I am
Daddy,
dead.
Daddy,
Me or Chin?
eh?
Me or Chin?
Boy, yeah, you're God now.
Chin and my sister, guys.
Chin, they're foreign. That's a
So-
chin on the beneficiary part. Otherwise, no. Hey, you there for bunks around. One trim, I'm not trim till Friday.
When you say the girl them Sunday Monday.
I want the girl them Sunday Monday.
Alright, true, look good. Watch Black Boy.
No, my bro.
Watch Rasta.
Bro, na DM.
Black and White.
About the Honda.
Which Honda? Which Honda?
Is it in the file?
I saw you shot me so you can't go in there. I know, my revenue shows.
It's fine. What kind of chin you want?
My revenue shows.
What?
Baby chin are for you.
I'm gonna loot that part.
Yeah. If you go park camera, that be a good. If you go park camera,
Your algorithm look good though.
thank you.
If you ever know what me do, I use near and near for what I'm doing.
Maya say hi. Good to see you there. I don't know what that bit. Much Irish.
No, sir. Cotton with alcohol.
Let's see you there.
I can't have about 10 piercing and afraid of this.
You what?
I have 10.
Yeah, sure, brother. I mean, I know half of them. Put it right in the middle. Hey, you know, see, look on the camera, ugly.
What's Jay with the enough self for Maya? Over here, so that's me. I'm Gucci, Bloom, Versace. It depends. Bulgari.
I can put a little bit of Francis.
You sure you want to make it go up some more? No, what if you want to wear hoop in the future?
Oh, yeah, true.
You know what the two are?
So, y'all come around and you can't see, you can't video, you can't
Oh, yeah, man, I see everything, man. I'm live.
I'm gonna trust you, man.
I see you, man.
Show. Let me see your ring. Let me see.
Mr. Rami in there, call there.
Ready? This coming down. Quick and fast procedure.
No
bad. It's not bad, man. Quick and fast procedure. 16,000.
Oh, yeah, do it again, we don't see it.
Shut up.
That's it?
I can see it's like the eye watering because I'm in the words, but
Yeah.
it don't hurt. I'm surprised. Can't really have the answer.
Give me two steps.
Smell like a feel like.
Wait, it back on the pan?
It bed.
It back on the pan?
No, we've just bent it. You see, you not even realize.
Alright, come. Very smooth.
Yeah, I hit that deal feel like.
I look like that girl. Right?
No, you're ugly.
Pump piercings are all this. I'm being stressed out there. Yeah, but I don't. Look good.
Yeah. Oh, pretty little painting hotter than a hot tool. Me I say you hot like them, I say you hot too. Yeah, me see the curls them pretty with the contour. Man I say